Hi, my name is Pixie Clay, and today we're going to make cilantro, lime, and jalapeno salad dressing. So this salad dressing is not only good for vegetables on a salad, on a dip, but it's also good as a topping for burritos and tacos. And because I use non-fat Greek yogurt, it's a lot lighter and healthier to add to anything you want. So the recipe starts with non-fat Greek yogurt, and we use 2 containers of that, and we put it into a food processor. And any brand that you like to use is just fine. I like to use non-fat because you get the same amount of flavor, but you save a few more calories. And then you add about roughly 1 cup of cilantro, 1 jalapeno pepper. If you want it less spicy, remove the seeds and the ribs from it, and also 2 cloves of garlic. You don't have to worry about chopping it up too small because that's what the food processor is for. It's going to do all the work for you. So once you get all the veggies in there, it's time for the liquids. So you want 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon of lime juice. You want a 1/4 cup of olive oil because you need some fat in there. You want a little sprinkling of salt and black pepper to taste. And then you pop on the lid, and then you just blend it until it's smooth. And that's it. Here you have your salad dressing.